When the weather heats up, it's the perfect time for a cold, sweet treat. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Granola Ice Pops. This dish uses only a few ingredients and it's a great recipe to involve your kids. This recipe is from the magazine series Chop Chop Sprout. To get more recipes and tips, visit www.chopchopmag.org. To make this dish, you will need half a cup of granola, half a cup of milk, half a cup of plain yogurt, 1 cup of raspberries, fresh or frozen and thawed, and 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. You can skip the sweetener if the granola is sweet enough. Do not serve honey to children under 1 year of age. Substitute with sugar if necessary. If you don't have raspberries, you can swap in other fruit, like blueberries or sliced strawberries or peaches, to make this creamy, cold, crunchy pops just the way you like. To make these ice pops, you will also need a popsicle mold. If you don't have a popsicle mold, then you will need small paper cups, popsicle sticks, and plastic wrap. Put all the ingredients in the bowl and mix until the raspberries are broken up. Divide the mixture evenly amongst the molds. Cover with lids. If you are using paper cups, then put them on a small baking sheet, cover with plastic wrap, then poke a popsicle stick down through the wrap into each cup. Put the pops in the freezer until they are solid, about 3 to 4 hours. To release the pops, run the molds briefly under hot water or let them sit at room temperature for 5 minutes. Granola Ice Pops. They're easy, they're healthy, and most of all, they're delicious!